Oh, whoa, whoa, this is disgusting.
Yeah.
Disgusting. This is you? You did this?
Yeah. Fuck you.
Alright, we're gonna go eat, yo. You chill out here. And don't take a piss here anymore. Please.
I won't piss on your car.
You want what?
I won't.
Alright, yo, take a rest, yo. Take a rest.
I won't piss on your car.
Take a rest.
Fuck you. Fuck
I'm gonna leave this door open, alright? If the cops come, just tell them that we're eating here, and then
If the cops come, I'm gonna tell them to suck my dick. Alright? Alright? If the cops come, I'm gonna tell them to suck my dick. I don't give a fuck. We just remodeled the house and I got a fucking showing at 10 o'clock. 12. Fuck you. Fuck you, dude.
Okay, how was tonight, yo? How did you like the show?
Vanna was sick.
Make sure it's open.
Vanna was sick. A failing sky. We went to that band fucking practice space. And we drank a lot. Fuck you. Don't even... I still got more weed in my pocket. I still got more weed in my pocket.
Well, you can smoke it here, just don't get caught.
I'm not gonna get caught. I need a cigarette.
Alright, yo, well, I don't have a cigarette, yo.
You gotta go to Hess for me.
Yo, I'm hungry, yo. I'm gonna go eat, yo. I need to take a piss, yo.